Hello friends, I am here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri ma'am. Here we solve questions from MSc entrance examinations. The question for today's video is from JNU MTech Biotechnology Entrance 2018. Let's see what is the question. Beta oxidation takes place in options are mitochondria, cytoplasm, chloroplast or nucleus. So we'll go through the functions of each organelle and find the answer for the question. Starting with the first option, mitochondria. This is a powerhouse of eukaryotic cell. It is a double membrane organelle and the inner membrane of mitochondria is very large. Beta oxidation is the process in which fatty acids are degraded to acetyl-CoA, and in this reaction NADH and FADH2 are liberated. Here this acetyl-CoA enters the TCA cycle, whereas NADH and FADH2 enters the electron transport chain. And this beta oxidation in case of eukaryotic cell takes place in a mitochondria. So here itself we got the answer for the question. But let's understand what are other organelles, their structure and function in short. The next option is cytoplasm. It's a semi-fluid substance which is present inside the cell membrane and outside the nuclear membrane. It consists of water, salts and proteins, and the organelles, in case of eukaryotic cell, organelles are suspended in a cytoplasm. Here it acts as a buffer for many reactions to occur, and the process of cellular respiration, glycolysis, takes place in a cytoplasm. Also, when we think about the molecular biology, in the cytoplasm, the process of protein synthesis or translation, that also takes place in a cytoplasm. So, this is not the site for beta oxidation. The next one is a chloroplast. This is a type of plastid. This is present in a plant cells. So, chloroplast is a double membrane organelle. It is having stroma, semi-fluid material inside it. We call it as a stroma. In the stroma, there are presence of granum. Granums are present and that are made up of thylakoids. So these thylakoid contains the chlorophyll pigment or pigments which are required for the photosynthesis. And chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis in a plant. Coming to the last option, that is a nucleus. This is a organelle present in eukaryotic cell which contains the chromosome. The DNA, the genetic material, this is present in the nucleus. The nucleus is having nuclear envelope, nucleolus is there, and chromosomes are present in the nucleus. This the cell may be uninucleate or it can be a multinucleate. So most of the cell are uninucleate. We can have example as a amoeba or our human cells. In case of multinucleate, the example is paramecium. Secondly, in case of RBC, mature RBCs, that doesn't have nucleus in it. That's why we call it as a red blood corpuscles. The size of the nucleus in cell varies. It may be a multi-lobed nucleus present in some cell. For example, in case of WBCs like eosinophil, neutrophil, the multi-lobed nucleus are found. So this also varies according to the cell type. But this nucleus doesn't have any function related to beta oxidation. The process of DNA replication takes place in a nucleus. Secondly, the RNA synthesis or transcription, that also takes place in a nucleus. the nucleolus which is present in nucleus that is required to synthesize the RNA. So the answer will become option A. Beta oxidation takes place in a mitochondria of the cell. Now let's have a question for my next video. I have taken the question from the same topic, beta oxidation. I thought that we are discussing beta oxidation. We have understood the site of beta oxidation. Now let's understand the process of beta oxidation with reference to this question. The question is 1 mark NAT question from paper of biotechnology IIT JAM. The question is from exam IIT JAM Biotechnology 2018. The number of cycles required for complete degradation of palmitic acid, that is 16th carbon compound, by beta oxidation is. So for this, we'll discuss beta oxidation in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.